Where have all the old words gone? Where roofs and hooves were once the norm. Our language now is fast approaching a text-based script that needs new coaching. For some old language to better express what now has become the new egress.